Hey, so in this video I want to talk about an interesting topic, which is something that's been brought to my attention by numerous emails and numerous phone calls with my customers and my clients all around the world, and that is where you're dating a girl and she once had high attraction for you, and then all of a sudden she starts to pull away and lose attraction for you, and you're thinking, well, what the hell is going on? This girl was chasing me, she was really into me, and she was calling me all the time, she was texting me all the time. Maybe she went away and she'd send me pictures of what she's eating and what she's doing, and all of a sudden that dries up, the intimacy dries up, the hugs dry up, the cuddles dry up, and you find yourself in a situation where your girlfriend is no longer affectionate towards you, and you're thinking, well, it's kind of strange and it's upsetting, it's worrying, because if you were in the situation where you had a really solid relationship and then it suddenly just fades away, and you're thinking, well, is there another guy in the picture? Has she lost interest in me? Am I doing something wrong? So the first place in this situation to start, if your girlfriend is not being affectionate to you and she's losing interest in you, is to look at how you're interacting with her. Are you the one who's always reaching out to touch her? Are you the one who's initiating all the hugs? Are you the one who's initiating all the kisses? Are you the one who's always trying to grab hold of her? Are you the one who's always trying to initiate sex? Are you the one who's always trying to meet up with her? If you find that you're always holding on to your girlfriend, or you're trying to touch a woman all the time, whether it's on the arm, holding a hand, putting your arm around her, any kind of intimacy like that, then slowly over time you will kill attraction, and she will sense that you want the relationship and her touch more than she needs you and your touch. And so what happens subconsciously is she starts to lose interest in you, because you no longer become a challenge, you're no longer a mystery, and you're the one who's always reaching out to her, and you're telling her subconsciously that you care more about her than she cares about you, and that's not a good place to be. So the first place to look, if your girlfriend isn't as affectionate as she used to be, is to look at the way you interact with her, look at the way you touch her, right? If you're touching her more than she's touching you, if you're reaching out to her all the time, it's time to hold back. It's time to pull back and let her come to you. Even if she doesn't come to you straight away, hold back and allow her to reach out to you, because that will do wonders for attraction and it will really get her interest back. Now, if you need help re-attracting a girl and getting her to be more affectionate, I highly recommend you pick up a copy of my guide. You can pick up your copy today by clicking on the link on this video. And if you need help with a situation like this, don't forget I do Skype and email consultations. And if you just want to get in touch, send me an email. I'd love to hear from you guys. Talk soon.